Hi guys, and welcome to the No Gluten Zone. I create content for people with food issues, whether that's allergies, sensitivities, intolerances, or just autoimmune issues like myself. We're all welcome here. We all struggle with very similar things, so I try to incorporate all of those things. Today, I want to share a company with you that has really good quality meats, really healthy meats. We order grass-fed and grass-finished beef from them. We've also ordered chicken from them. Wonderful products. And I will put a link to their website in the description box below. But we've been ordering from this company for quite a while. We have never been let down. Wonderful products. And we recently had someone over to our house. My husband built a barbecue shack. It has a smoker, Blackstone flat top, a barbecue. And that person said, I've tried grass-fed meats and they taste really gamey to me. And so we said, well, try this and let us know. And they said, nope, this doesn't taste gamey. This tastes great. So if you've had that experience, know that this company doesn't taste that way and it's wonderful. I also wanted to show how it's packed because I know a lot of people are like, I don't want to order through the mail. It's going to come, thawed out and spoiled and bad. And every time we've ordered, it comes via FedEx and it is still frozen when we get it. So I wanted to do the unboxing and share that with you. So this is really well padded. You get a very nice inventory sheet because I always forget what I actually ordered. Then it is all encased in this foil that is really well sealed. And there's a layer of paper. Then these freezer packs are still solid frozen. They are not thawed at all. There's quite a few of them. You can hear that. Okay, in here we have a chicken thigh pack, a beef tenderloin filet mignon, another chicken thigh pack, a beef flank steak. These are solid frozen, by the way. Another beef flank steak. Another beef flank steak. Another chicken thigh pack. A beef boneless short rib. And on the very bottom is another totally solid freezer pack. So you can see there's this foil layer, and then all the way around is this padded paper layer. Let's move on to the next box. And again, this thick padded paper. This one has a really nice little layout of things they offer. Another nice invoice. And the really well sealed foil. A little hard to get into. I just cut. And the paper. Another totally solid freezer pack. We have beef top sirloin primal. It's a big one. Another beef top sirloin primal. Another very solid freezer pack. Another flank steak. Another chicken thigh. These are beef franks, the plain ones. We love these hot dogs. These are like the best hot dogs ever. We always buy a bunch of these. This is beef boneless short ribs. Another beef boneless short rib. There is a gluten-free restaurant near me called Oceans and Earth, and they have a stroganoff made with those boneless short ribs. So we've been buying them and making something similar, not the same, but so good. Another beef boneless short rib. This is beef sandwich steaks. That's not, we have not tried this one before, but that sounded really good. Tri-tip roast. Another tri-tip roast. I personally gravitate towards either steaks or roasts. Those are what I'm most comfortable with cooking, but anything I get that I've never cooked before, I just do a search online for what's the best way to cook this. This is another tri-tip. This is a tri-tip steak, not a roast. This is another tri-tip steak. This is a beef thin sirloin keto steak. We have not ordered this before, but we thought we'd try it. And this is another tenderloin filet mignon. And we have two more totally frozen solid freezer packs. And again, it's just this big foil and this very thickly padded paper. So I hope that was helpful. I hope if you've been nervous to try an online ordering for meats that you would give them a try and see that it comes fully frozen and really good quality. We really love their products. I will say we have not tried some of the more processed things and pre-cooked things because they don't say if they're gluten-free. I do need to at some point reach out to the company and ask. We almost ordered a beef bacon, but we weren't sure because, again, it's a little more processed. The more processed something is or the more handled something is, the more chances it has of cross-contamination. So I need to reach out to the company and ask. I have not done that. But so far, all their just meat has been totally safe for us, including the hot dogs. I was a little nervous the first time we ordered those, but we checked them. Our gluten detection dog cleared them as gluten-free, and we've not had any issues. So I highly recommend those. Have a great day, guys. If this content was helpful or you enjoyed it, please subscribe, hit the like button, and you can click on the bell to be notified when I upload things in the future. Have a great day, and God bless you.